This is a brand new 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include the IntelliLink infotainment system, XM satellite radio, a locking rear differential, a heavy-duty suspension, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with audio controls, front side impact airbags, a chrome grille, tinted glass, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, heated side view mirrors, and air conditioning. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Greiner Buick GMC Cadillac is located at 6301 East 2nd Street in Casper. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.